Hello everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to add the end task to the Windows taskbar in two approaches. The first approach, you are going to use the Windows settings, and the second approach, you are going to use the registry. But before we dive into the video, if you are stopping by for the first time, this is Sakes Infotech where we simplify tech for you. Please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to add the end task to the taskbar using the first approach, which is the Windows settings, we are going to right click on the start and then we'll click on settings. So at settings, we are going to click on system. And then at the right pane of the system, we are going to click on advanced. So I'm going to scroll down, then I'll click on advanced. So at the advanced, you see end task. Enable end task in taskbar by right click. Okay. So I'm going to toggle this on, then I'll close the settings. Okay, so supposing I open Google Chrome and then I want to end task for the Google Chrome because the application has frozen or the application is not working well, I'm just going to right click on the Google Chrome icon on the taskbar and then I'll click on end task. Okay, so this is how to add the end task to the taskbar by using the first approach, which is the Windows settings. Okay, now the second approach, so let me go back to the settings and then I'll toggle it off. Okay, then I'll take you through the second approach. Let me close this, go back to the settings. So I'll go to system and then advanced. So I'm going to toggle this off. So the second approach, which is the registry, we are going to click on the search and then we right click on the registry. If you don't have it in the recent, you can type regedit.msc. okay, and then you click on the registry. So I'm going to click on yes. So at the registry, we are going to expand HKey current user and then we expand software. So at the software, we are going to expand Microsoft. I'm going to scroll down and then I'll expand Microsoft. So at the Microsoft, we are going to expand Windows. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down and then we expand Windows. So at the Windows, we are going to expand current version. So at the current version, we are going to expand Explorer. Okay. So at the Explorer, we are going to expand advanced. So I'm going to expand advanced. And then at the advanced, I'm going to click on taskbar development settings. Okay, so at the taskbar development settings, you see taskbar end task at the right pane. So you are going to change the data value from 0 to 1. So to do that, I'm going to double click on the taskbar end task. Then I'll change the data value from 0 to 1. Then I'll click on OK. So when we are done, I'm going to restart Windows Explorer. Okay, so to restart the Windows Explorer, let me close this. I'm going to right click on the taskbar and then I'll click on Task Manager. So at the Task Manager, I'm going to look for Windows Explorer. So I'll click on it, or I'll select it and then I'll click on Restart Task. You can choose to restart your PC if you want, okay? But for the quick demonstration of this video, I want to restart the Explorer, okay? So let me close the Windows Explorer. So let me close the Task Manager. So let me open Chrome. And then supposing the Chrome is not working as I demonstrated to you in the settings, I'm going to right click on the Chrome and then I'll click on end task. Okay, so this is how to add the end task to the taskbar by using the settings and then the registry. If you find this guide helpful, then please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.